Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also, make sure you turn off the water supply to the washer. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the drain pump in the GE washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 3/8 socket wrench with an extension, a pair of pliers, and a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new drain pump. The drain pump is located under the tub on the right side. The pump drains water out of the tub when it's energized by the control board. If the washer won't drain, remove the drain hose from the pump and check if there's a foreign object stuck inside the pump. If nothing clogs the pump, replace it. To get it apart, we need to put the washer on its back. I'm going to use the box as a support and tilt it back. Keep in mind it's heavy, so be careful. Here we are at the bottom of the washer. There are two pumps. As you can see, this is the recirculation and this is the drain pump. That's the one we're going to work on. We're going to start that from the removing of this cover. It has 3/8 bolts that we're going to take out using the socket wrench. Next, I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver and I'm going to press on that the locking tab here at the bottom of the plug and disconnect it. Normally, you would have a clip here which goes into this hole, which holds the harness in place, but I don't. So you can remove it with the pair of pliers. I recommend to put a towel here because we're going to disconnect that drain hose. Technically, we're not supposed to have any water coming out of the pump because the lowest point of the washer is right there, and we are way above it. But it could be some water in the drain hose, unless you drain it from the other end. So I'm going to use the pair of pliers. I'm going to squeeze this clamp and slide it down. And now I'm going to pull the hose off. That's the moment of truth. Are we going to take shower or not? So we not having a shower. And now I'm going to use this 3/8 socket wrench and I'm going to take out the 3 bolts so we can free the pump. And now we can pull out the pump. This is the old drain pump next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. All right, now I'm going to place a new pump in. So this seal is sealing the opening, so make sure that it's going right in there. Before doing that, I'm going to unclip the harness because we need the whole length. And I'm going to match this 3 mounting holes and secure it with 3/8 bolts. And I'm going to use this 3/8 socket wrench. I'm going to tighten them. Go from one to another one. Do not tighten any of them completely. Okay, and now when all of them are tight, and I'm gonna put some pressure. Do not over tighten those bolts because this is plastic, so remember that. Next I'm going to plug the harness in. It goes in this way, like that. It clicks. Then I'm going to put this harness retainer clip into this opening, into the gear case. So I'm going to clip it on out of the harm's way. It's a time to place the drain hose onto the pump. Slide it on. And press it up. Make sure it's all the way in like this. And then I'm going to grab this hose clamp with pliers and squeeze it and move it up. Now we can remove the towel. And I'm going to place the cover on. I'm going to match 3 holes. And I'm going to secure it with the 3/8 bolts. I'm using a 3/8 socket wrench. I'm not tightening it yet. I'm going to place the third one in first. And I'm going to tighten them, all 3 of them. And now we can put the washer upright. Careful, it's heavy. And we're going to remove the box here. Turn on the water, plug the washer in and run it to check if it works properly and there's no leaks. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.